Every day I'm hustling.
Right here, we have our support line with a nice little bounce. We have our green line as our buy line. You see the MACD is pointing up. Let's see where this thing ends up going here. That there is our signal. This one here is showing us that this is going to go up now. Create a little trend line here. I did speed up the video so that way it goes a little faster for everybody. You don't want to sit here for 2 hours watching this thing go. If you have any questions, please give us a comment below. Just sitting here waiting for this thing to pop. See what happens out of this. Looks like it's getting halted up a little bit. Here we go, some more movement. As long as it stays along that trend line, we're good to go. We have support being built up over in the level 2s. It's taking really slow. Even in fast forward, this thing's moving really slow. It's giving it time to build up. We're going to get a little squeeze going up this trend line right around the buy line. Once it crosses over that buy line, we want to get in and get out. We're going to set our get out price at the daily high at 385. Let's see if this pops through. Here we go. What are we getting? Some movement. We don't just buy yet right away. We just gotta wait. Oh, here we go. We're getting close. Yep, we're in. And you get in. Now you see your support is moving. Resistance over on the level 2s are building up. There's a little bounce back. Oh, here we go. It's getting good. Off to the moon. Yeah, see the level 2s over here, what you want to pay attention to. Create this new trend line. See if this goes upward more. We'll move our new resistance here. See if it bounces above that. Level 2s are still showing really strong. A lot of support coming in. As long as the support keeps moving, see how our buy price is the gray box. So that gray box is above the sellers, which are the red, then we're going to have a good upward trend on this. You see the spread is pretty decent too. The spread is the difference between the buy and the ask price. See, now here we're starting to cross our trend line, but it's okay because we're not down to our buy line. Our buy line is actually going to be our stop loss as well. But oh, there we go. We don't always sell as soon as it crosses over the trend. We want to see what the next candlestick looks like before we actually decide to sell. It's a fake out breakout, and the same thing for a fake out drop. It'll do the same thing. It'll make you think that it's going to go down, but ideally it'll turn on you real quick and go up. Just keep watching your level 2s to give you an idea what you're doing. See, level 2s right here show you that there's a lot of resistance up high. So this thing's got movement to be able to keep climbing. See where this thing goes. Slow and steady. Just take the small climb. Stay right along that trend line. Little bounce play, nothing crazy, nothing to be scared of. It's going to do that. It needs to go up and down. As long as it stays on that forward motion of going upward trend, we're good. Oh, look, we're creating a flag pattern here. Flag patterns are unique. They're always good. It's called a bull flag. See, that's what you want. Usually it's going to come into the triangle shape to make a quick little squeeze into that corner there, and it will end up hopefully popping out. Majority of the time you see a flag pattern like this, it usually will pop. You do want to watch it for a couple candlesticks after, because sometimes after a quick pop you'll have a quick drop. So you want to be quick on the sell here. See, we're getting a little bit of a drop. Let's see what this does. You don't sell on the first candlestick. This is a fake out. You want to see what the second one does to make sure that it does not drop fully. See what we're doing here. That's 3 red candles in a row. Usually this will drop. So we're going to get ready to put our finger on that sell button. Come on, let's see if this holds up. The resistance, 25. It's not too bad. There's a lot more support. So we'll see if the buyers hold up on this. Uh-oh, here we go. What's going to do? Almost looks like it's creating new resistance. Might have to adjust my lines here and see what happens. And give it a couple more. Buyers are coming in. Buyers looking stronger than sellers. Oh, there we go, 47. I'll keep this one kind of tight. This is interesting right here. This is a squeeze if I've never seen one before. It's a battle between the sellers and the buyers. And then readjust this real quick. You guys see the real. See, there's the flag right there. And here's a green candlestick, and we actually are going to hopefully hold up here. It should come up here to my resistance at 380 or 280. I'm sorry, 285 or 385, 384. Come on, bad boy, just show me what you got. Better hold up. So like I said, if you cross it, make sure you get a couple candlesticks through. Make sure you get a full solid candlestick below that resistance before you go to sell. You do not want to fake out and miss an opportunity for it to actually do the opposite. A lot of sellers coming in. There are some buyers. So see if these buyers keep this strong. And here it goes. Boom. Off to the races. You see how high does it go? Boom. Boom. Look at that. Right through it. Wow. Did not think that was going to just pop right through the high of the day like that. Let's remove this, adjust, figure out where we're at. Let's look at our 1 day chart down at the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if you look at the red candle on the 1 day chart 6 days back, we're kind of thinking that that's going to top out right there with that one. Readjust that flag so you can see that better. Coming up, we got a new high for the day. Let's cross that. It's made our panel. See, it's just follow that resistance. Nice little flag pop up. 1 day, okay, it's gonna match it. It might pop above that one red 1 day and see if it goes higher. Keeps on popping up. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Thinking this thing might get all the way up. To like 4 460, 460 looks good. That's where our resistance is at. Got a doji candle kind of forming. Let's see if that holds up. Oh, nope. Red, green. What color is it going to stay? That turns into a doji candle. Doji candle turns, immediately will fall. But we got a lot of buyers. So it looks like this is going to keep going up. All the way up. None down low. Not very much. More on the level 2s on the high than there are on the low. This is going to keep popping up. I don't know how much higher. Looks like we got our first red, so we got to really pay attention to a breakout like this. Figure out what's going on. Level 2s are still showing strong. Getting 2 red candlesticks. We got to be real close to attention here. Get ready to sell if it comes down to it. Got a little bit more of a pop. Watch these level 2s. Level 2s are important. Watch your MACD. Your MACDs get kind of high. Just watch those candlesticks. Watch your level 2s. Just keep an eye on a little bit of everything. Getting some turn down here. Now I'm going to set my resistance right here at 425. So if it crosses 425, I am out of here. I'm already up almost a full, basically a full dollar. Boom, out. This is where it goes. Right here. Boom, there's your, okay, so there's your full, if this holds up, we're out. Boom, yep, we're out right there. This is going down. 3 red candlesticks. It's on the other side. We're already up high. We're not being greedy. We're just going to ride this out and let this keep falling. There's our downward trend. And this thing is now going to collapse. This is what we profited today.